The following video describes the methodology to apply the specific genuine Toyota chemical product. Please be advised that the services described and demonstrated are to be applied with a specific genuine Toyota chemical only when it has been diagnosed that the vehicle actually requires service per the conditions described. Genuine Toyota chemical products are imperative to keeping your customer's Toyota a Toyota. Sluggish performance, reduced fuel economy, as well as stalling at slow speeds or engine knocks or pings are common concerns from owners of older vehicles. If you determine that a vehicle is experiencing any of these issues due to the gradual buildup of carbon deposits in the induction system, then the Toyota Induction Kit can help. Over time, fuel injectors, intake plenums, and throttle bodies can develop carbon and other types of deposits that can change the efficiency and performance of the engine. Each of these components requires different chemicals to clean these deposits. The Toyota Induction Kit can remove even the toughest deposits from the fuel injectors, intake plenum, and throttle body to get the engine back to top performance. The Induction Kit comes with three products: Toyota EFI Tank Additive, Toyota Throttle Plate Cleaner, and Toyota Top Engine Cleaner. This video will show you how to perform all three steps. Note that in the throttle plate cleaning step there is a difference between the drive-by-wire and standard throttle body cleaning procedure. Be sure to always wear safety glasses and never leave the vehicle unattended while performing this service. This service is not to be performed on diesel engines. Begin the induction service with a test drive. This will give you a chance to bring the engine up to operating temperature and evaluate for any general engine condition. Make sure the oil level is full and there's at least a quarter of a tank of fuel or more. Remove the gas cap, open the EFI tank additive bottle, and remove the heat seal. Pour the contents into the tank and replace the gas cap. As the vehicle runs, the EFI tank additive cycles through the fuel system, cleaning and removing deposits from the fuel injectors and intake valves and restoring an optimal fuel injector spray pattern for cleaner and more complete fuel combustion. Before you begin the throttle plate service, make sure the engine is off and you're wearing safety glasses. Remove the air snorkel clamps using a Phillips screwdriver. Position the snorkel out of the way or remove it altogether. Place a rag under the throttle body to catch any residue. Now spray the front side of the plate. A small spray goes a long way. You do not need to use a lot of product to do a thorough job. Open the throttle plate and spray the backside. Use a soft bristle brush to clean any stubborn areas that did not spray clean. Spray lightly one more time to rinse off the residue, then use a rag to wipe off any excess cleaner. Replace the snorkel and tighten all connections. Make sure to replace any vacuum hoses that may have come off during service. Now start the vehicle with the accelerator pedal depressed. As soon as the engine starts, let the throttle close. This helps clear out any throttle plate cleaner residue left in the intake. If you're cleaning a drive-by-wire throttle body, you cannot manually operate the throttle plate. To open the throttle, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. Use a pedal depressor to fully depress the gas pedal. This will open the throttle plate. Never attempt to manually move the plate. Continue the cleaning process. Be sure to remove the pedal depressor before starting the engine. Toyota Top Engine Cleaner is the last step in the Induction Kit. This product is essential for removing harmful deposits from the intake plenum, intake valves, upper cylinders, and compression rings. With the engine off, open the top engine cleaner and thread the top engine tool onto the bottle. Now hang it from a central location on the hood. Make sure the valve on the tool is in the off position. Find the closest vacuum port to the throttle plate. Insert the wedge portion of the tool into a short piece of hose that will fit snugly into the vacuum port. Be sure to keep the wedge on the application tool. This device is vital for the proper atomization and dispensing of the cleaner. Start the engine and let it idle. Then open the valve on the tool and start dispensing the cleaner. The engine may slow or shutter, but it should not shut off. Always stay with the vehicle. If the engine stops, turn the valve quickly off and restart the engine. When you restart, hold the throttle wide open at first and then ease back into idle. After about a minute, when it feels as if the third of the product has emptied, shut the valve off and slowly increase the engine speed to off idle. Once the engine speed stabilizes, return to idle and open the valve again, allowing another third of the bottle to cycle through the induction system. Shut the valve off and slowly increase the engine speed to off idle. Stabilize the engine speed and return to idle. Repeat the process one more time, dispensing the remainder of the Toyota Top Engine Cleaner. When the bottle is empty, shut off the valve and increase the throttle speed slowly until the engine becomes stable. Press the accelerator pedal quickly 3 or 4 times to clear out the residue. Then let the engine return to idle and shut off the ignition. Disconnect the tool from the vacuum port and check to be sure all vehicle hoses are reconnected. Make sure you perform a final inspection and check to ensure all hoses and electrical lines are connected and secure. Finally, take another test drive to make sure everything is running smoothly. Induction system cleaning using the Toyota Induction Kit is typically performed on older, out-of-warranty vehicles, creating an excellent opportunity to add value for your long-term customers. Genuine Toyota chemical products, an efficient and effective resource for your service center.